steampunk. Do you want to go inside? Do you want to see the awesome steam stuff, the awesome steam museum? Let's go inside. No, you know what? You don't deserve to go in. You don't deserve it. It closed at 5 o'clock and we're here at like 5:30.
Go out and drive out that way. You pick up and drive out. Yeah, it tells you out on the road entrance and exit, but people don't read. Yeah, they just turn around. Yeah. No, I'm not going to deface my drive with arrows. People can use their eyes. They have to follow signposts on the...
Well, yeah, people don't read signs.
No, they don't.
Yeah, I know this. I'm a parking warden. People don't read signs.
Oh, are you? You're a parking warden.
Yeah.
Well, they won't argue with you.
They try to.
And you just give them a few each and away you go. Okay?
Yep.
See you later.
Okay,
Thank
I'll
you.
see you later.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for guiding. Thank you for guiding us.
I'm honoured. Hold your hands up like a cup, dear. Yeah. I'll go back because those other people are coming back.
Okay.
The ones that didn't bring their guys.
Who wants food? Who's hungry? Nobody's hungry? Searching for a hungry wallaby. Which ones are hungry? Are you hungry? Yeah, come over here. Over here, buddy. Alright, right, it's coming. It's coming. There we go. Look at that. They're very fluffy. Whoa, delicious, huh? Mmm. Wallaby. And you can actually feel their soft fur just like underneath the chin, just from holding your hand like this. And you see what he's doing? He's grabbing onto my hand, using my hand as a plate. Oh, the other one's coming over now. Maybe that one's not full. Yeah, they look like fuel pellets that you put into the pellet burner back at home. They look the same. So this is EnkleDooVery Korna in Waimate, South Canterbury, New Zealand. And this is wallaby feeding. They're so cute. Look at the wallabies. How you doing? How you doing, little buddy? What's this? That's called a Canon EOS M6. That's a Canon EOS M6. What do you think of it? The lens looks pretty good. This is the shit corner, because these guys, they're taking a dump all over the place. This corner is the shit corner. Real shit corner around here. You can't see on the ground, but there's shit everywhere. This is the toilet. Come on over here. A little bit of background action. Come on. Come on over here. Come on in front of the camera. Come on, here it comes. Here we go. See, that wasn't so hard to come over to the shit corner. I'd love to say that for them it's delicious, but it's probably bland as hell, you know? It's probably like eating cardboard, like the same stuff every day in, day out. Boring. Oh, look at that, that's a photo bomb. Look, wow. It's photo bombing.
Good on you.
This wallaby is photo bombing in my video. Okay, look, you take out the...
Yes. This way, not your butt. The front. I want your front. Cool.
Chickens. Baby chickens. Little chickens. Bennetts Wallabies are a pest species, listed in the unwanted organism status here in New Zealand. Hello. Hello. You're not bite my fingers, huh? You're gonna bite my fingers if I put my finger up there? Alright. Does their reputation live up to it? The greedies, we love food. Come to this other gate. 2 paddocks behind these trees and come back from this gate. Alright, the greedies. Are you guys really greedy or is it all hype? Oh, somebody's coming already. These guys are the greedies. That's greedy number 1. Greedy number 2. Greedy number 3. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Well, you know, it's almost finished, so you're going to be like lucky last. Coco's feeding greedy number 1 and greedy number 2. I have to know. What about you? You cool? Yep, you're cool. That's 1. What about you? Are you cool? That one's cool. That's 2. Are you cool? That's 3. Yeah, you're cool. You're number 4. I have to know. Are you cool as well? Yeah, you're cool. Are you cool? Yeah, you're cool too. You guys are all cool. From the Waimate, from EnkleDooVery Wallaby Farm. Waimate, South Canterbury, New Zealand. See you in the next video.